What about I told you that this video could change your life and that of your family? Now, before you place that first trade or before you click buy or sell, I want you to watch this particular video to the very end. If you really want to be successful in the Forex market with no cap. Am I understood? This is the step-by-step guide to your success in the Forex market. If you're tired of blowing account upon account and you don't know what actually happened, this is also the video for you. So this video actually have a way of changing your trading completely. Am I understood? So stick tuned to the very end. Don't go anywhere. So before we dive right into it, my name is James Gides. I teach you how to make some cool lot of money in the Forex market, and I break down every trading strategy that even an 8-year-old child can possibly understand. And if you find value, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button. So I'm going to be breaking everything down from the candlestick to chart patterns to currencies that you need and how to possibly analyze the chart. Those are the things that you need to kickstart your Forex trading journey, and let's dive right into it. If you want to analyze your charts, all you're going to do is to start from higher time frame, right? Or you can start from 4-hour time frame, or you can possibly start from daily time frame. But that will possibly show you what the price is possibly doing. I'm understood before you jump right into the market. As a new trader, there are currencies that you need to focus on, right? Like Euro, USD, GBP, JPY. Don't trade gold because gold is very, very expensive. Rather, you can trade other currencies. Am I understood? Now, all you're gonna do right now is to zoom out, right, to see what price is actually doing in 4-hour time frame as a trader. And basically, you also need to know your support and your resistance, which I've said in several videos. You can possibly go and check my other videos and you will know what support and resistance are. Now, as you can see, it was selling. Suddenly, the strength of the sellers got weak from this low right here. Buyers get into the market, right, and start pushing the markets back up. Why is the sellers now say, man, the price cannot keep going up, we need to push it back down, right? If they were trying to push the price back down, you can see there's a reaction right here around this angle. It is strength of the sellers, they are already weak, and that is why immediately if the buyers get into the market, they make sure they push the price up massively. As you can see, that's exactly what happens here. Now, as a trader, right, is to mark out this your recent low, right? Mark out your recent low. This is your recent low, and also mark out your recent high. This is your support, this is your resistance, this is your support. Am I understood? What you're waiting to see around this particular area is if price break this zone, this recent low, you will keep selling. And if you get to this particular recent high, or you now say, okay, if price break this zone, right, then I will keep buying. I'm understood. Then I'll keep what? I'll keep buying. Now, you are possibly waiting, and immediately price break through this resistance zone right here. What happens there? It was a massive buy. And what causes this massive buy is because it is strength of the sellers. The strength of the seller is weak, and the buyers get into the market and push the price back up. But not just that, from this week right here to this particular area, this is your first target. And what you're going to do right here is to take your first profit around this zone right here, because you're not supposed to be greedy. You can choose to even take your first profit somewhere here, right, and take your second profit somewhere here, and wait to see what price will do around here. Whatsoever price did around here will now determine your next take profits. Am I understood? I hope that is clear enough. Now, when it gets to this particular place right here, sellers, they want to push this price back down again, but something happen right here, and that's why you have to pay a very close attention to every market structure. I'm understood. They wanted to push the price back down massively, but eventually they were unable to push it back down. Immediately if they get to this particular area, they still want to do the same. Their strength got weaker around this zone right here, and the buyers now say, man, we are not letting that happen. Right now, buyers now get into the market massively and they push the price back up. Each candlestick is a battle between the buyer and the sellers. Am I understood? Sellers are trying to push the price down, while the buyers are fighting to push the price back up. I'm understood. Now, whosoever wins, good. The deals goes their way, right? Now, as a trader, this is the advantage of it, right? You buy, you make money. You sell, you make money. I'm understood. So smash the like button. And if you want to join my premium class, or if you want to join my mentorship class, the link is right at the description. Click on the link, send me an email, right? And I will attend to you immediately. Now, these movements happen from this particular zone to this particular zone right here. As you can see, sellers are still struggling to push the price back down, but unfortunately they couldn't. But something happened around this side right here. When seller says enough is enough, sellers now get into the market massively. As you can see, this huge candlestick right here, this could be news that triggered this, but nevertheless, that is how it happens. Sellers use anger to get into these markets and make sure they push it down massively. Buyers try their best to get this price back up, but if the seller said no, it's not going to happen, so they make sure they push the price back down. Now you have to pay very close attention to this. At some points, if you see price coming down like this, right, if you see price coming down like this, right, it's for you to jump into the market. It ended with almost no wick at the bottom. That should tell you that the strength of the sellers is something else, right? They are ready to push the price back down. You can jump into the market like this and make some cool lot of money, right? As I said to you earlier, all you're going to do, always take your profit in the next resistance or support level. So as you can see, since it's coming down, you take your first profit at the first support level. If it is going up, you take your profit at the first resistance level. Don't forget that. It's a battle from this area to this area, right? And the battle ended here. Don't forget that. And the battle ended here. Fresh battle start from this place again, and the same thing happened, right? As you can see, each break is a massive candlestick, so have that at the back of your mind so you can make informed trading decision. As you can see, each break has a strong price movement. As you can see, that's exactly what happened here. I'm understood. So you have to pay very close attention and be taking your profit in the next resistance or support level. When it gets to this particular area, this is another stage on its own, right? Now buyers now get into the market, push the price to this particular level right here. So it's from this week. Unfortunately, they couldn't push the price at this time. Again, as a trader, I will always tell you to always mark out your recent high, mark out your recent high, and mark out your recent low. As you can see, mark out your recent low. If price break down here, that means to keep selling, right? And if it eventually have the strength to break this zone right here the way it did, that means it's really going to keep buying. Am I understood? It's just as simple as that. So if you possibly find value in this video, all you're going to do right now, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join my masterclass. The link is right at the description. So let me show you the last example. In the law of Forex, if you see price coming downward, right, if you see price coming downward massively, is really going to keep coming down, right, unless something happen, right, unless something happen. That's exactly what I want you to understand. And if you see price going back up massively, price will keep going up unless something happen. I'm understood. That is the law, and always keep the law in your mind. Eventually, if they get to this trend line right here, let me show you guys something. It touches this trend line. Don't forget that this is from 4-hour time frame, right? It get to this trend line right here and make another U-turn back down in such a way that sellers got into the market again at this point and say, man, we are not going to allow you to break the trend. The trend cannot be broken. All we're going to do right here, let's get into the market and push the price back down. And that's exactly what happened here from the law of trading. If price is coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down, right? If price is going up massively, then it's going up, unless something happen. As you can see, a very long candlesticks in 4-hour time frame. It gets to this place, trying to make some wicks around this side, keeps coming down, and as it keeps coming down, you are supposed to keep taking your profits in the next support or resistance level. As you can see, the next support level, because it's coming down, you take your profit. Same thing happened here. So as you can see, when price is going up massively, then it's going to keep going up massively, right? Then if it is coming down, then it's going to come down, right? So, and it gets to this place again, and it's still making another trend. And that was exactly where I grabbed my trade from. Whatsoever happened around here, it's fine by me, it's gonna be fine by me because I've already taken some little profit there. So what I'm waiting for right now is either price break this zone downward or break the side upward. And my Fibonacci retracement is telling me that this price is basically coming to do some retest around this zone. So this is my lower low and this is my higher high around this zone. My Fibonacci is telling me that, okay, it's really gonna get to this place to do some retest, right? But if price did not get to this particular place, I can choose to take my profit from where it is. So I hope it's clear enough. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you want to know more about analysis. There is money in the forex market and you can also make it happen. Peace.